guys, it is me. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the DIY fluffy slime set, and it came with like these bottles of glue, but I've already made one of them, but it came with like this little container, so only a fraction of it can fit in this container, and then I put the rest in my own. So it came with this like foam kind of hand soap stuff, mixing bowl. It came with clear glue and 2 eye contact solutions, and yeah, that's it. So I've already added in the like clear glue, and here's it is, and I've only added in 1 pump until I realized that I wasn't recording. So yeah, I'll be back once I've added in 10 pumps of this. Okay, let's add it in. Okay, so I've already made a couple, and I'm kind of running out of this stuff because I've already used like both of the bottles of glue. So that's how much it came with, just a little bit to make those batches. So I'm just gonna add in like the rest of it. It may look like a lot, but it's really not. Okay, so I've now added in pretty much the rest of this, so I could just throw away this. And yeah, now it is time to add the eye contact solution, but first let me just mix this. And yeah, so it said just mix it until it starts bubbling, and as you can see there's like bubbles in it, and it's starting to like get fogged up. So that's when you know it's enough, and it smells really good. Yeah, it smells like soap, and it is just foaming hand soap, except for shaving cream. And yeah, so let's just add the eye contact solution. So it says on the instructions right here to only add like 2 to 3 drops and increase. So 2, 3. Actually, no, I'm just gonna add as much as I want to, because that's gonna take forever. Okay. I'll be back once it is fully activated. Okay, so it is almost activated. I'm gonna put it down on to the counter and knead it until a good consistency. I can get it off the spoon. Okay, so that was just a sink. It feels bubbly, Mom. Like, it really feels bubbly, guys. Like, when you're kneading it, it feels like bubbly. I don't know if you can see, but it's like bubbly. I feel like when you mix, like Tide or like detergent into slime, that's what it feels like. And probably because it's like, it's foaming hand soap, so. Okay, so the slime turned out pretty swell. It's really thick, not like a regular fluffy slime would be, like thick, like really, really thick, but it's like jiggly, kind of. I don't know how to explain it. It's really nice. I definitely recommend buying this set. It's really nice, and it comes with a lot of things that other slime sets don't have, like a container, a mixing bowl, and a mixing tool. And yeah, so like this is good. So like if you don't have like any containers, or like it comes with like all the stuff that you need, because like usually a regular slime package would usually just come with glue and activator and maybe some color. Even though this one didn't come with color, it's still a nice, it still makes decent slime. It doesn't really matter about the color, but yeah, and it's really nice to play with. And this is like, if you're like, say you're on a road trip and you're actually allowed to make slime in your car, and you buy this set, like you don't have to worry about like where to store it or anything, because it already comes with like a container, and you don't have to worry about like what to mix it in, because it already comes with a bowl and spoon. So it practically just has everything you need. You don't even have to add anything of your own, unless if you want to. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put all of the ones that I made together. See how big, like if you were to make it all together, how big it would. Wow, this is actually just like a decent size. Like it's really big. I can actually fit it all in here, but I don't wanna waste it all, so I'd rather just take like a piece of it and put it in here, so that way like if I could bring it somewhere, like on road trips, or just like, it's a little pocket sized one. So yeah, it's kind of hard to get in. There we go. You need something to push it in, because it's a tube. So okay, I got it. And then take this and hopefully equally split it up. So that seems pretty equal. I'm just gonna plop that in there. Plop it in there. Plop that in there. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below any video suggestions. So yeah, bye!